Every coconut that falls carries the story of Quezon, a story of resilience, culture, and hope. From this humble fruit grew a celebration that has become the heart of our province, Niyugyugan Festival. More than a festival, Niyugyugan unites all 39 municipalities and 2 cities to celebrate our agriculture, heritage, tourism, and the people who keep our traditions alive.
Sa pamamagitan po ng Niyugyugan Festival, mas napapalawak ang merkado ng ating mga lokal na produkto at mas marami ang nagiging inspiradong tangkilikin ang sariling atin.
Every performance preserves a tradition. Every costume tells our history. Every celebration keeps Quezon's identity alive for generations to come.
Isa rin itong paraan upang maipatuloy ang ating mga tradisyon at maipakita at maipasa sa mga susunod na henerasyon.
With more than 30 cultural, agricultural, educational, and entertainment activities, visitors don't simply watch the festival. They experience Quezon. Every exhibit teaches history. Every competition inspires pride. Every experience strengthens the Quezonian identity. Through the Niyugyugan Festival Foundation, festival proceeds help provide scholarships for deserving sons and daughters of coconut farmers, transforming celebration into opportunity.
Isa po sa aming priority ay matulungan ang mga anak na magdiniyog na makatapos ng pag-aaral at makatulong din po tayo sa mamamayang Quezonian.
When culture becomes opportunity, when tradition becomes education, and when every celebration gives back to the very hands that nurtured our land, that is more than a festival. That is Niyugyugan. That is Quezon.